Hello guys, so I am Satyaprakash and today I am going to build this simple screen in the Flutter with the help of Listview. Okay, so means this video is mainly focused on the Listview, means how to use Listview and all that. Okay, so in this screen our main components are our means this screen is mainly in the scaffold. Okay, and this is our app bar. Okay, and this is our simple text with the font weight, means its font weight is bold, and this is our another widget. Okay, and means we have to create this widget separately and include this in our program. Okay, so let's move to our VS Code and code all this. So we are in our code editor, means VS Code, and now open terminal here and just create a Flutter project. Okay, so just type command Flutter create Listview. Okay, and just wait a minute. You can see there is a folder named Listview. Okay, so just wait till this process end. Okay, and now just open, there is a lib folder and here is a main.dart. Okay, and erase all this code. Okay, so import material.dart. Okay, and main, inside main we have a run app, and inside run app just there my app. You can name anything. Okay, actually this my app is our stateless widget. So to create my app, just type stl, that is stateless widget. Okay, just remove this and type there my app. Okay, and inside my app we have to return material app. So material app, put there semicolon, and inside material app we have title. Okay, so let's name it list view example. And after title we have home section, and in the home we can name another status widget. So let's name it home page. Okay, and now we have to create our home page. So again just type stl for our stateless widget. So stl and then enter home page. Okay, just remove this, and in the home page section we have to return the scaffold. Okay, and inside scaffold our app bar, and inside app bar we have title, and this title accept text. Okay, and let's see what is the text there. So their text is crypt list view example. Okay, so just type this text. Okay, so grouped list view example. Okay, and after this we have body. Okay, so in the body just put there tag list view. Sorry, firstly let's run it. Okay, in our emulator, and to open emulator just type command control shift p and launch emulator. Okay, I have emulator name as SemiKolan, so just open this. Okay, so you can see our emulator is set up. Okay, so now we have to run this whole code into this emulator. So for this just type there, means just click there run button, and this will take a little bit time, so just wait for it and have a patience. Okay, so you can see there is a launching libmain dot dart. Okay, so you can see our emulator is set up now, and just cancel this widget inspector and terminal also. Okay, and now let's move to our screen. So you can see after doing all this, we have to print this team A, okay, which is in the center, and font weight is bold, and all this should be the inside list view. Okay, so in the body section we have list view. Okay, and in the list view this accept a children. Okay, and inside children we have to pass our text, and in the text we have to give, here is team A. Okay, so team A, and in the style section it accept text style. Okay, and inside text style we have to give it font size, and font size, let's say we will give it 20, and font weight dot bold. Okay, and so just refresh this and let's see changes. Okay, so you can see there is a text team A. Okay, and now we want this in the center of our screen. Okay, so just wrap it with the center and just refresh this. Okay, so you can see our team A text is exactly same as that we wanted. Okay, so now, and our next task is to simply make this widget. Okay, so let's code this widget in the separate class, and then use it again and again. Okay, so just stl, and let's name it list view, and list view widget. Okay, and now I will explain to you how we can make this individual widget. Okay, so let's say this is our widget. Okay, and now means we can take in the container. Okay, and inside container we have to take a row, because all these are in the same row. Okay, and inside row we have children, and in the children this is our icon. Okay, and next is our text, and again we have icon of arrow. Okay, so let's implement this part in our code. Okay, so Let's move to our list view widget, and inside this widget there is already a container, and inside container that we will give its width, and we have to give this width in the media query, and the media query should be, let's say, when media query dot of context dot size dot width. Okay, and now let's say we want it to take a 90% width of our screen. Okay, so to do this, simply multiply it with 0.9. Okay, and after this, let's say, means now we have to assign its height, and we can manually assign its height to, let's say, 100. Okay, so now I am going to create a container child. So child, and inside child we have a row, and inside row we have its children's. Okay, and inside children we want these. First one is icon, then a text, then again one icon. Okay, so icons dot person. It means that icon name is person, and after this we want a text. Okay, so you can give any name. I'll give it semicolon. Okay, and again we want a icon, so I'm going to just copy paste it. Okay, and now I'm going to use this list view widget in the list view. So after this center, just type there list view widget. Okay, and now see changes. Yes. Okay, so you can see there is a icon and text, and again one icon. Okay, so now you can see there is, there is a little bit spacing in the icons, and there is elevation. Okay, so to give the elevation, we have to wrap this container in the card. Okay, and we have elevation property, and let's give it to 10. Okay, and now refresh this, and you can see there is a little bit spacing, sorry, elevation. Okay, and now we have to give spacing between these icons. Okay, so you can observe one thing, and that is between the icon and the text there is a very little space. Okay, and this is also a little space, but this space is too large. Okay, so to implement this, we can give this space in the spacer with the flex property. Okay, now let's implement this. So before a person, we will give a spacer with the flex 1. Okay, and after this person and semicolon, we have, let's say, flux 2 to increase a spacing. Okay, and between that word, means between that text and this last icon, we have a lot of spacing between this. Okay, so again I'm going to copy paste it, and let's say our spacer is, let's say, we will give it 12. Okay, and now just refresh this and see changes. Okay, so you can see there is an exact spacing, and again means this is totally shifted to right side, so we want a little bit spacing between this corner and this icon also. Okay, so for this again we have to give a spacer after the our last icon, spacer with flex 1. Okay, and we have to change this icon name. So let's say arrow. You can select any arrow, downward, forward. Okay, and now replace this. Okay, so you can compare this one and that one. Okay, so these are exactly same, and now I am going to reuse this widget again and again. Okay, so for comparing you can see. Okay, so now we have to just copy paste this widget again and again and use this. Using this we have to make our complete screen. Okay, so after this list widget we have again same widget but with the different name. Okay, so what we can do is, for different naming, let's say we cancel it. Okay, and for different naming in the means here we are going means here we are using semicolon, but instead of this we can make our string final string title. Okay, and now just hover on the title and with fix and create generate constructor. Okay, and now just replace this semicolon name with the title. Okay, and now just put their title, and inside title let's say we will name it, let's say name 1. Okay, and now replace this. Okay, so you can see there is a name 1. Okay, and now just copy paste it and let's say name 2. Okay, so now we have again this, we have team A and now we have team B and team C. Okay, so for this we have to just copy paste this again and again. So just copy it, just paste again and change this team to team B and name 3. And name 4. Okay, and again copy paste it and change this to team C and name 5 and name 6. Okay, and now replace this. Okay, so you can see, or you can compare these two screens. So these are exactly same as that one. Okay, so if you have any query about this one, means this widget or anything, just comment me in the comment box. Okay, so if you like the video, just subscribe our channel and thank you.